Hi, it's Jill from Mystic Knotwork. Today I'm going to show you a variation of the simple square knot bracelet from last time. These are a more adjustable style that you can tie around your wrist or your ankle. And just a quick note about the board I use to tie my knots on. It's really easy to make if you want to make one. It's just ceiling tile wrapped in duct tape, and it works really good for sticking pins in. You're going to tie your two pieces of cord together at the bottom and leave about a foot or so of cord, and take the other end and loop them over the pins. So then you want to start at the top by the pins and make a square knot. And what you're going to do is you're going to leave two little loops, and this is what you're going to use to tie it on with at the end. To tie a square knot, you're going to make an L on one side. For the other side, you're going to go over the L, under the center cords, and up through the loop. Pull it up. Same thing on the other side. Make an L, then go over the L, under the center cords, up through the loop, and pull it up. After you tie enough square knots to fit around your wrist, you want to take the two ends that are coming out of the sides, and I like to just put a little knot at the end of each side. Just to secure it and keep it from falling apart. And then cut the ends close. You can also put a little glue on there. To wear your bracelet, you want to put the two long ends through the loops. And see, this is more adjustable. You can put it around your ankle or put it around your wrist, and then just tie a knot and cut it off. Here's what the finished bracelet looks like, tied on with the loops.